There's a fresh showdown between ruling TMC and centre in West Bengal. Kolkata police has now summoned senior officials of Income Tax Department over the raids related to last year's alleged 8,200 crore rupees tax evasion case. Kolkata cops have asked 3 IT officials to appear before them. IT department had found large amount of tax evasion through stock exchanges, and this is coming after the centre has removed 3 IPS officers responsible for arranging the security during BJP President JP Nadda's visit from their current position. The officers have been deputed on central deputation. The ruling TMC has slammed the move, calling it pressure politics by the centre and an attempt to create a state of emergency in Bengal.
The provisions are quite clear. Let's not take time over it. Provisions are IAS, IPS officers are governed by Article 312 of the Constitution. After they are selected, the IAS or IPS officers are given allotted states. They are made state cadres. They may go to the centre on deputation, but the centre has to ask for names from the state government, and then the state has to give them clarification. So what is being said is not right.
So unless the state releases them, they can't go on.
No, they can't go.
রাজ্যের নিশ্চয়ই এটা ল অ্যান্ড অর্ডার। তুমি সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট থেকে এটার মধ্যে ইন্টারফেয়ার করতে পারো না। কোন কোন ক্ষেত্রে ইন্টারফেয়ার করতে পারো? আনডিক্লেয়ার্ড এমার্জেন্সি চলছে পশ্চিমবাংলায়। আনডিক্লেয়ার্ড এমার্জেন্সি চালানোর চেষ্টা করছে, কবজা করার চেষ্টা করছে। প্রতিদিন গভর্নর সকালবেলা টুইট কিসের জন্য?
Divyesh Singh is reporting from Mumbai, joining us for the very latest on this. Divyesh, there is politics brewing in Bengal, TMC versus BJP for a very long time, and this time around the topic of contention is the tax evasion case of the stock markets. The IT department had found large amount of tax evasion through stock exchanges. If you could walk our viewers through what this case is really, to put this particular news that is flowing in from West Bengal into perspective.
Yes, Kathy, what has happened is last year income tax officials conducted some raids in Kolkata on some brokers who had some links with politicians and corporates. A total amount of 8,002 crore is the suspected tax evasion in connection of which these raids were conducted. Following which, there was another case that was registered by the Kolkata police against the income tax officials, citing that they had forced the brokers to give confession. They had abetted the brokers to give names of some people. Following which, this case was registered at the Hare Street police station and is being investigated by the anti-fraud section. The senior income tax officials who've been suspended includes 2 deputy director level officers, while another is a additional commissioner level officer who've been asked to appear before the police station on Sunday as well as on 15th of December to join investigations at Kolkata. Summons were issued on the 10th of December, and the IT officials who sent these summons, they've received the summons. It is not yet known whether the officers have appeared, were asked to appear earlier on 13th December, they've appeared or not, but these summons have been issued for 13th and 15th of December by the Kolkata police. Chetty?
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Divyesh, for joining us with the very latest in terms of what the case is all about.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.